दामी यार के गर्दैछौ त यार जेलमा What's your height? My height is 6'3" यार. I'm so tall and 6 feet 3 inches my height. You can see the ceiling above. I can touch with my hand. I'm so tall. Yes. Like I do work out a little bit. Let's grind together. Everyone follow me and believe me, I won't make you lose hope, Let's grind together. Let's build ourselves, केही न केही गर्न पर्यो यार. जिन्दगी एउटा छ हैन. लाइक केही न केही गर्न पर्यो. पढेर होस्, चाहे खेलकुदमा होस् हैन. केही न केही गर्न पर्यो. Come on everyone. Hey. Okay, I'll show you. Don't worry. I'm ready to show my height. Look. You wanna see my height? Look. That's my height. Yeah.